Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We're going to start with grade 1 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time. And the lessons we're going to cover today are seasons of the year, day of the week, time and clock, word problems, times of everyday events. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is seasons of the year. So here I am on grade 1 maths. The chapter name is time and here is the lesson. We're going to start with seasons of the year. So let's just start with the lesson. We're going to learn how many years in the how many seasons in a year. Got it? So here is the chart. You can see the seasons are summer, winter, fall and spring. Got it? And this way they can winter, right after the winter you have spring, after spring you have summer, then fall, and the cycle goes on. Got it? Winter, spring, summer, fall, then again winter. Got it? You can follow the cycle. Got it? So the question is, what season comes right before winter? You have to see which season is before winter. So just look at the winter in the cycle. Here is the winter in the cycle. Here is the winter. And you need to see which is before. So here is the one that is before. So before winter, there is a fall. Got it? So just keep in mind, it would be like winter, spring, summer, fall. Got it? And the cycle goes on. Got it? Okay, the next example is what season come just after winter? You have to see now the season that is after the winter. Got it? So just keep this table, keep this cycle in your mind. Winter, spring, summer and fall. So right after winter you have spring. Got it? Before winter you have fall and after winter you have spring. Got it? Okay, the next one is which season comes just after spring? So you have to locate the spring in the cycle. Here is the spring and right after spring you have the summers. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which season comes right after fall? So you need to see which season comes right after fall. So it would be like this: winter, winter, spring, summer, and fall. Got it? So after winter, you have spring. After spring, you have summer. After summer, you have fall. And after fall, you have winter. So you need to see which season comes after fall. So which one is after fall? No, that would be winter. You can see here. Here is the cycle. If you can start with the winter, it would be winter, spring, summer, and fall. So right after fall, you have the winters. Got it? This one is the one that is right after the fall. So right after the fall, you have winter. Got it? Just keep this cycle in your mind. It would be winter. Okay, you can keep the cycle in your mind like this. You can keep the first letters in your mind. WSSF. Got it? It will be W, S, S, and F. W, this one is for spring. This one is for summer. And then WSSF. Just keep this in mind. Got it? So W, spring, summer, fall. Okay, now you need to see what season comes right after spring. So here is the spring. Got it? And you have to follow like this: winter, then spring, then after spring you have summer, then after summer you have fall, and right after fall you have the winters. Got it? So now which season comes after the spring? Just see the arrow going forward from spring to summer. That means right after spring you have the summers. Got it? So after spring you have summers. Got it? Very good. It would be summers right after spring. Okay, which season comes right before winter? You need to see which season come right before winter. So I'm going to make the cycle using the same thing. W S S F. Got it? So that you can keep in your mind. It would be S S and F. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Got it? So you need to see now which season comes before winter. So which one is before winter? Here is winter. Got it? So before winter you have the fall. Got it? So it would be the correct option is fall. Before winter you have fall. So the correct option is fall. Okay, which season comes just after summer? Okay, let me just make it here on the board so that I don't want to make again and again. Okay, it would be WFSSF. So here is W, S, S, and F. So winter to spring. Right after winter, you have spring. After spring, you have summer. After summer, you have fall. And after fall, you have the winter. Here is the cycle you need to keep in mind. Okay, the question is which season come just after spring? So here is spring. Sorry, after summer. Which season comes after summer? So here is summer. So after the summer you have fall. Got it? After the summer you have fall. So the correct option is fall. Winter is before summer. Spring is before summer. Okay. What season comes just after fall? So which one is after fall? It would be winter. You can see the cycle. Here is the fall. So after the fall you have winter. Got it? So after fall the season is winter. Okay, which season comes just before spring? Which one is before spring? Here is spring. Got it? So before spring we have winters. So before spring we have winter. Which season comes just before winter? Just before winter it is. Very good. That would be the fall. Just before winter it is fall. Think and then answer. No worries. No hurries, no worries. What season comes just after summer? So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Which one, which season comes after the summer? After the summer, it is fall. You can see the cycle. Here is a cycle. Here you have summer, and right after the summer, you have fall. So, it would be fall. The correct option is fall. Okay, what season comes right before the fall? What season comes right before fall? Before fall, it is summer. So the correct option is summer. What season comes right after winter? Which is the correct option? After the winter, it is spring. WSSF, and the first S is for spring. So right after the winter, you have spring. Got it? So after the winter, you have spring. You can make the cycle on your notebook and then keep answering by looking at your notebook. What season comes just after spring? After the spring, there is summer. After the spring, you have summer. WSSF. The first W is for winter, S is for spring, S is for summer, and F is for fall. So, right after spring, you have the summers. Okay, what season comes just before winter? Which is the correct option? It would be fall before the winter. Got it? You can see the cycle before the winter. Here is winter, and before the winter, you have fall. Got it? So, the correct option is fall. What season comes right after fall? After the fall, we have winters. So the correct option is winter. What season comes right before summer? So which is the correct option? Right before summer, you have spring. So it would be spring. What season comes just after winter? It is spring right after the winter. What season comes right before fall? Before fall, it is summer. Before fall, it is summer. What season comes just before summer? Just before summer, we have spring. What season comes just after winter? After the winter, it is spring. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. If you still need help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. Got it? Next one is the days of the week. So let's just start with the days of the week. So, what day comes after Sunday? So, here you have the list of the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then think forward a day from Sunday. Here is Sunday, and right after the next day after the Sunday is Monday. That means Monday comes after Sunday. Got it? Just keep the names of the days in your mind, and then you can find which is before and which is after. Just look at the Sunday in the list and just see the next one right after the Sunday. So right after the Sunday it is Monday. Got it? Okay, the next one is which day come which day comes after Saturday? So which day comes after Saturday? Here is the Saturday. Got it? Right after the Saturday you have to Sunday. So that means Sunday comes after Saturday. Okay, which day comes after Monday? So just look at the Monday in the list and see what's next after the Monday. So here is the Monday. The next one is Tuesday. So that means right after the Monday we have Tuesday in the list. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, which day comes after Tuesday? So which is the day after Tuesday? Let me just write down the names of the name of the days on the board, then we'll see which is the day after the Tuesday. So it would be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you need to see which is the day right after the Tuesday. So here is Tuesday. So after the Tuesday we have Wednesday. Got it? So that means the correct option is Wednesday. Which day comes after Sunday? So here is the Sunday. Got it? So right after the Sunday we have Monday. So the correct option is Monday. Right after the Sunday we have Monday. You need to memorize the name of the days, and then that would be very easy for you. Which day comes after Thursday? So here is Thursday. And right after the Thursday we have, yes, after the Thursday we have Friday. Got it? So right after the Thursday, we have Friday. Okay, which day comes after Wednesday? You need to see which is the day after the Wednesday. So here is the Wednesday in the list. So right after the Wednesday we have, here is Wednesday. So after the Wednesday we have Thursday. Okay, which day comes after Friday? So which is the day that comes after Friday? You can see the list of the names. Here is the Friday. And after the Friday we have Saturday. So the correct option is option number one. That would be Saturday. Which day comes after Monday? It would be Tuesday. Which day comes after Saturday? After the Saturday, we have Tuesday. After Saturday, we have Sunday. The correct option is Sunday. Okay, which day comes after Tuesday? Here you have Tuesday. So, which is the day after the Tuesday? You have Wednesday after the Tuesday. Got it? So, the correct option is Wednesday. Which day comes after Sunday? After the Sunday, we have Monday. So, the correct option is Monday. Very good. Okay, which day comes after Monday? It would be Tuesday right after the Monday. Which day comes after Thursday? It would be Friday after the Thursday. Yes, it would be Friday. Very good. Okay, which day comes after Wednesday? So which is the day after Wednesday? It would be Thursday. Which day comes after Friday? It would be Saturday after the Friday. Which day comes after Sunday? After Sunday, we have, yes, that would be Monday right after Sunday. Which day comes after Wednesday? After the Wednesday, we have Thursday. Very good. Which day comes after Saturday? After Saturday, we have, yes, Sunday. Which day comes after Tuesday? After Tuesday, we have Wednesday. The correct option is Wednesday. Which day comes after Monday? After Monday, we have Tuesday. Which day comes after Thursday? After Thursday, that would be Friday. Which day comes after Friday? After Friday, we have Saturday. Which day comes after Tuesday? After Tuesday, we have Wednesday. Which day comes after Wednesday? So, right after Wednesday, we have, very good, that would be Thursday. Okay, which day comes after Monday? It is Tuesday after the Monday. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is time and clock word problems. So let's just start with the word problems. Shontal went sailing with her parents. They got on the boat at 9. They were on the boat for 3 hours. What time was it when Shontal and her parents got out the boat? So they got on the boat at 9, got it? And they were on the boat for 3 hours. So start from 9 and count up to 3. So it would be 9, 10, 11, 12. That means right after the 12, that is the 12 a.m. when they got off the boat. Got it? Okay, the next one is Vivian decided to volunteer at a library. Her shift started at 11. She volunteered for 2 hours. What time was it when Vivian finished volunteering? So start with 11 and count up to 2. It would be 11, 12, and 1. That means it would be at 1. You have to start with 11 and count up to 2. So it would be 11, 12, and 1. That means it would be 1 when she finished volunteering. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the next one is Tim made lasagna for dinner. He put the lasagna into oven at 5 and took it out 1 hour later. What time was it when Tim took out the lasagna? So which time it is? So count forward by 1. So 5 and 1, 6. That means it is 6 when he took lasagna out of the oven. It would be very good. It would be 6. Okay, Shontal went sailing with her parents. They got into the boat at 9. They were in the boat for 3 hours. What time was it when Shontal and her parents got out of the boat? So, which is the correct option? It would be 9 and move forward 3 hours, 10, 11, and 12. Got it? That means right after the 3 hours when they got off from boat, it's 12. Very good. It started snowing at 7 o'clock. The snow stopped after 1 hour. What time was it when the snow stopped? Which is the correct option? So start from 7 and count up to 1 hour. So it would be 8 o'clock. Got it? Because right after the 1 hour, it would be 8 o'clock. Brennan took a math test. The test started at 1 o'clock and was 1 hour long. What time was it when Brennan's test ended? It would be 2 because it started at 1. So right after 1 hour, it would be 2 o'clock. Dale went on a tour of pencil factory. The tour started at 3 and lasted for 1 hour. What time was it when the tour ended? So it started from 3 and when after the 1 hour, what time is it? It would be 4. Got it? Right after 1 hour, it would be 4. Vivian decided to volunteer at the library. Her shift started at 11. She volunteered for 2 hours. What time was it when shift Vivian finished volunteering? 11, 12, and 1. So that means after 2 hours it would be 1. Okay, the next one is Danny threw a party. The first guest arrived at 5 o'clock. They ate cake, played games, and told jokes. The last guest left 3 hours later. What time was it when the party ended? Yes, that would be 8 o'clock. Start at 5 and move forward 3, so it would be 8 o'clock. It would be 1, 2, 3. It would be 3. After the 2 hours, it would be 3. It started raining at 10 o'clock and didn't stop until 4 hours later. What time was it when it stopped raining? So started from 10 and count up to 4. So it would be 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. It would be 2 o'clock. Okay, Becky's kitchen sink got clogged. So she called a plumber. The plumber arrived at 4 and spent 1 hour fixing. What time was it when the plumber finished working on Becky's sink, which is the correct option? Started from 4, you have to count 1 hour. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 5. You started at 4 and move 1 hour, so it would be 5. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 1 maths. The chapter we're working on is time, and the lessons we have covered are seasons of the year, days of the week, time and clock, word problems. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.